Friends, you can watch my both of the children are just sitting in front of me because our time is going on the practice and we are just a habitual to spend at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 20 minutes. As usually, we have become a habitual to practice and I know very well how to create the environment for best future of my children and I am whatever I have knowledge I experience I keep on sharing with them and they are start to taking interest because it is the very important and at the moment they are just ready. I would like to know about their opinion ki are they ready for practice or not and are they taking interest or not. So in any type of the language I will ask, they reply in the same language. So I am just trying to ask know about their opinion. So first I'm just going to know. So are you ready, bete?
Yes, we are ready.
So first I would like to know about your opinion. What is the importance of the practice?
Practice is very important for be success.
So do you practice every day?
Yes, we do practice every day.
How much time do you practice?
We practice at least 20 to 30 minutes.
Who teaches you?
My father teaches us.
Does your father know very well how to speak English?
Yes, my father knows very well how to speak in English.
Very good. So did you go to the school today?
Yes, I went to school yesterday.
So do you usually speak English during the class at your school?
Yes, sometimes I use English.
Speak English.
You use English. So with your friend, do you speak English with your friend or with your teachers?
Normally I speak with my
both.
teacher English.
I am just speaking in Hindi and after that you have to convert in English. जब मैं बाइक चला रहा था मेरे एक दोस्त ने मुझे आवाज लगाई.
When I was riding the bike, one of my friend called me.
पापा कल मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता था पर आप घर पे नहीं थे.
Father, yesterday I wanted to talk with you, but you were not in home.
मैं मेरे दोस्तों को कुछ बताना चाहूँगा.
I would like to tell something to my friend.
कल जब मैं खाना खाते समय मोबाइल चला रहा था.
Yesterday when I was using the mobile while eating the food.
क्या तुम रोज डिनर लेते हो?
Do you take dinner every day?
क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है?
Have you completed your homework?
पापा मैं सुबह से आपका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
Father, I have been waiting since the morning.
हमें हर दिन प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए.
We should do practice every day.
यह टाइम अभी हमारे लिए परफेक्ट है.
This time is perfect for us.
क्या तुम टाइम का इंतजार करते हो?
Do you waiting for time?
मैं टाइम को पास नहीं करता.
I do not waste time or pass time.
क्योंकि मेरे पास लिमिट टाइम है.
Because I have limited time.
लिमिटेड टाइम. मैं जब साइकिल से घर की तरफ आ रहा था
When I was coming towards my house by the cycle,
मैंने एक बूढ़े आदमी को सड़क पार करते हुए देखा.
I saw a old man. He was to cross the road.
He was crossing the road.
He was crossing the road.
मैंने अपनी साइकिल नहीं रोकी.
I didn't stop my cycle.
बोलते बोलते मैं रुकता नहीं हूँ.
While speaking, I do not stop.
क्या तुम मेरे साथ मार्केट कल जा रहे थे?
Were you going to market with me yesterday?
मैं कल 2 बजे खाना खा चुका था.
I had eaten my food yesterday at 2 o'clock.
मैं 3 घंटे से तुम्हारा वेटिंग कर रहा हूँगा.
I will have been waiting for you for 2 hours.
2 hours. Very nice, very nice. क्या तुम मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to do practice with me?
मैंने तुम्हें बुलाने की कोशिश नहीं की.
I didn't try to call you.
मैं कल छत पे चढ़ सकता था पर मैं नहीं चढ़ पाया.
Yesterday I can
चढ़ सकता था,
I can climb on.
चढ़ सकता था,
Yesterday I could climb on
on the
roof, but I couldn't.
not.
आई couldn't. मैं तुम्हारी बातों का जवाब आसानी से दे सकता हूँ
I easily give the answer of your questions
Your question.
क्योंकि मैं सेंटेंसों के बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा जानता हूँ,
because I have some knowledge about sentence.
क्योंकि सेंटेंसों के बेस पर इंग्लिश बोली जाती है,
Because English is spoken on the basis of sentence.
मुझे मार्केट भेजा गया,
मुझे मार्केट भेजा गया. I was sent in
In
market.
market.
फुटबॉल खेला जा रहा था,
Football was being played.
Football was being played.
मुझे पढ़ाया जाता है,
I am
I am
taught.
taught.
मैं खेलना चाहता था पर अभी नहीं खेलूंगा,
I wanted to play, but now I will not play.
अभी मैं आपको 12 सेंटेंस बताने हैं, उन 12 सेंटेंसों को एक बार बताइए प्ले के साथ.
I play, I am playing, I have played, I have been playing since morning, I will play, I will be playing, I will have played, I will have been playing since the morning, I played, I was playing, I had played, I had been playing since morning.
शुड कुड कैन के साथ
Should, could, can.
I
I should play, I can play, I could play, and I will play, I would play.
ट्राई वांट
Try one.
need.
I try to play. I need to play. I want to play.
I tried to play.
I wanted to play. I needed to play.
very good, it's very good. Okay, you keep on practicing day by day, so one day your effort will pay off and you will be very confidently, and by the facing there are number of the questions I have already asked and you replied very confidently, so it is my purpose to build up your confidence and create the environment, because environment plays a major role to develop our skill. So without any making mistake, without any thinking about your mistake, because nobody is perfect and educated, so keep on growing. Okay, thank you.